Welcome to a review by 21 user questions on Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. Let's jump directly into the questions. Where is the fingerprint sensor? The fingerprint sensor on Redmi Note 10 Pro Max is side mounted, located just below the volume control. It is sensitive than many in-display fingerprint sensors, and you have an option to set the sensing method to touch or a press on the power button if you wish to do so. Next, is there any screen protector pre-applied on the phone? Yes, there is a plastic screen protector pre-applied on the phone. But the application was a mediocre job as the camera hole is not aligned properly and it does not cover the screen fully in one side as you can see here. Does the phone come with a back cover? There is a silicone back cover in the box. It has cutouts for all the bells and whistles and a frosted glass looking base. There is a flap on the charging port area for additional protection. It fits nicely on the phone and does not make the phone bulky. Is the device splash proof or waterproof? Redmi Note 10 Pro Max is having an IP53 rating with splash, water and dust resistance in the bag. But if somehow water enters the phone, the damage caused by this is not covered under the warranty. Does the phone has an earphone jack? Yes, the phone has a 3.5mm earphone jack on the top and there is support for FM radio. Does the phone support reverse charging? To demonstrate the reverse charging capability, I am going to use a USB-C to USB-A converter and try to charge a power bank. Once I connect the phone to the charging port of the power bank, it started charging. So, the 5020 mAh battery of the Note 10 Pro Max is capable of reverse charging. Can I connect a hard disk or a USB drive to this phone? I am going to connect the phone to a 2 TB hard disk to see if it will be detected. I will be using the same USB-C to USB-A connector here also. It might take some time for it to be detected. And we will see it in the notification. The hard disk has started spinning, so we are on the right track. Now there is a notification regarding the hard disk, and from that itself we can open and see the files. What is the SAR value of this phone? SAR stands for specific absorption rate, and for the head it is 0.83 and for body it is 0.648. Is there a separate slot for a micro SD card? This phone supports dual 4G standby and has a separate slot for a micro SD card. The phone supports cards of sizes up to 512 GB. What is the battery capacity of this phone? This phone has a battery of 5020 mAh size and has a fast charging support. Does it have a front camera flash? No, the phone does not have a front camera flash, but you have an option to use the front screen as a source of light during selfies. Does this phone have voice over Wi-Fi and voice over LTE? Yes, the phone supports both voice over LTE and voice over Wi-Fi. As I am connected to a Wi-Fi network, voice over Wi-Fi is activated now. If I switch off the Wi-Fi, it will get reverted to voice over LTE. But these will work only if the carrier also support it. As you can see, the voice over LTE is now activated. What is the type of display in Note 10 Pro Max? The screen is a Full HD 120Hz active matrix OLED display and has HDR10 support. Is there a call recording option in this phone? Yes, there is a call recording option in this phone. The option can be enabled only once the receiver takes the call, and as the recording starts, there will be a legal disclosure saying that the call is being recorded. Does it show ads while using the phone? There will be no ads while using the phone if you keep the Get Apps app at bay. If you want to keep the ad away, do not use this app. What is the type of connector and cable used in this phone? This phone comes with a USB-A to USB-C cable and has fast charging support. What is the type of SIM used in this phone? This phone supports dual nano SIM. The tray is located on the left side of the phone from the user's perspective. Does it have true dual speakers? Yes. Unlike many other phones using the earpiece as a hybrid speaker, Redmi Note 10 Pro Max has speakers on the top and the bottom to give a better stereo experience. Is it a 5G phone? No, it is not a 5G phone. It has only dual 4G support with dual standby. Is there NFC in this device? No, this device does not have an NFC. For connecting with NFC enabled devices, you might have to use other methods. Is there any FM radio support? Yes, surprisingly, this phone supports FM radio. In the Tools section, FM radio app can be opened, but for the full functionality, you need to connect it to a 3.5mm audio jack. So that concludes the review by 21 user questions. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.